Sea-Trek Diving System. In 1999, Subsea Systems, Inc. introduced Sea-Trek, a recreational underwater free-flow open-bottomed helmet diving system marketed as suitable for people with no previous diving experience. Current Sea-Trek operations vary in depth from 3 to 10 meters. The maximum depth is not a function of the system's ability to provide air supply operating pressure of 80 p.s.I., rather a function of what the manufacturers consider a safe operating depth for non-swimmers in case of emergency. Air can be provided from one of three options: surface supply from an electrically driven compressor system, with backup supply from high-pressure cylinders via floating manifold through 60 ft buoyant hoses. Self-contained high-pressure cylinder carried by the diver on a stainless sealed backplate scuba system. The POD system uses two air cylinders supported by a float at the surface connected to up to two helmets by 20 ft buoyant air lines. The surface-supplied compressor air delivery is controlled by a microprocessor digital control system A/C and D/C, providing the following primary functions: independent monitoring of input and output power to each compressor motor, automatic compressor selection and control, emergency tank activation, primary air tank pressure monitoring, downstream system pressure monitoring, low pressure and power failure alarm visual and audible. Sea-Trek Underwater Wheelchair. A modified wheelchair was introduced by an operator in 2015 to take guests with limited or no use of their legs on an underwater tour. Subsea Systems developed a custom underwater wheelchair specifically designed to be used with the Sea-Trek system. This program is called Adapted Sea-Trek and will be available at multiple locations worldwide.